For our next pattern, we're going to be combining the lady's underarm turn with the right hand lead with a comb. So we're starting with our 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, lady's underarm turn into comb, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now it's important to note that when I lead the lady into the underarm turn here, and I want to initiate the comb, that my arm doesn't drop and then go up again for the comb. That my arm stays up, which allows me to do my comb. So I'm stepping 1, 2, 3, turning the lady into comb. 5, 6, 7. Sometimes for support, I can take her right hand with my left hand as well. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that helps keep the lady square. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.